English tip by tip. Tip 13. Other professions.
Postman, fireman, mechanic, judge, architect, photographer, doctor, policeman, nurse, chef.
Tip 13. Exercise.
Connect. These are Henry and Michael. This is Anna. This is Jefferson. This is John. This is Mr. Smith. This is me. This is Robert. This is Mr. Brown. This is Nuria. This is his brother. This is Anna.
She's fortune teller.
This is John.
He's fireman.
This is his brother.
He's golf player.
This is Jefferson.
He's mechanic.
These are Henry and Michael.
They are postmen.
This is Mr. Smith. Is he postman?
No, he's judge.
This is Robert.
He's photographer.
She is Mary, isn't she?
No, she is Nuria, the nurse.
This is me.
I'm architect.
This is Mr. Brown.
He's doctor.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.